Salon visits may be a no-go this year, but your beauty regime still needs to be a major priority on your wedding day. Dive into these simple techniques that are a perfect concoction of nature's goodness and effective remedies to get your face and body to glow. Fresh, bright and citrusy, an orange can really amp up the health of your skin. While you savor the juicy pulp for your daily dose of vitamin C, use the peels as powder along with yogurt as a face pack to give your skin the instant rejuvenation it needs to look smooth, tight and toned before the wedding ceremony. Cleansing removes essential moisture from your skin. So follow up with a non-greasy, fast-absorbing moisturizer to leave your skin feeling soft and supple throughout the day. Dark elbows may sneak their way into those precious wedding pictures. Dry brushing is a popular skin exfoliating treatment which has the ability to tackle this skin concern. Increase blood circulation, get rid of toxins and dead skin with just a few gentle circular motions once a week for a month before the big day. A good skincare routine is incomplete without a great moisturizer. Nivea's Nourishing Body Milk soothes dryness with its deep moisture serum that deeply nourishes the skin from within and boosts moisture production. Filled with the goodness of almond oil, it's going to keep you moisturized for a good 48 hours and leave behind smooth skin that you feel good in. There is nothing comfortable about dry and flaky lips. Chapped lips don't allow the perfect lipstick application and also make your face look dull, which you absolutely do not want on your wedding day. So treat your lips to a weekly scrub to keep them healthy and smooth. Mix a tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of shea butter, and a few drops of organic jojoba oil. This blend of ingredients work together to exfoliate, hydrate, and soften your lips with ease. Follow it up with a lip balm or a lipstick of your choice to flaunt the perfect pout. Drinking a full glass of water can seem like a chore. Switch things up with a refreshing watermelon or tangy mint and lime smoothie, whatever tickles your taste buds for your required water intake. This is going to give you a natural glow, banish dull skin, and even keep your hunger in check. Now you can have a wonderful wedding as you look and feel your best. Enjoy your big day, take lots of photos, and we wish you a lifetime of happiness. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.